Yesterday I bought some scones in a bakery and I had like 2 of them. It was really good. So today I'm gonna try and make this myself. I found the recipe online. It's a recipe by Annabelle White and I thought the recipe looks really good, so I'm gonna try and make this myself. So I already prepared the ingredients. So I've got self-raising flour here in a bowl. Then I'm gonna grate the ice cold butter. Ooh. So just use this grater. So this is what it looks like. And then I'm gonna use this knife and I'm gonna mix the flour and the butter. So just like that. Go. Then I'll put the baking powder, 1 teaspoon. Then some salt, just a small bit. Then mix it a little bit. Then the buttermilk, I made this buttermilk. It's just milk and then lemon, and then I just leave it sit for like at least 5 minutes. And there you go, instant buttermilk. Then we're gonna make a hole in the middle and then add the buttermilk. Nice. And then I'm gonna mix this with the knife. Just like that. And I'm gonna add blueberries. These are frozen blueberries. Just add it here. Okay. I'm starting to sweat from mixing this. Hi. Okay, I think it's ready. What it looks like. Yeah. Okay. And then I'm gonna add some flour here on the table. And then I'm gonna take this out. Oopsie. Ooh. Blueberries everywhere. And then just put some flour, a little bit. Then I'm going to flip it. There's no kneading required to make the scones, so I just made it like a square, and now I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna make like 9 squares. So I've cut this into 9 squares. Now I'm gonna put this in the oven tray and then bake it for 15 minutes for like 200 Celsius. Go. Doesn't have to wait long, just 15 minutes. That's it. While the scones are baking, I'm also going to make strawberry jam. So I bought like 3 boxes of this yesterday, 3 boxes of strawberries, and they were on sale, so why not make a homemade jam? I'm gonna wash this first and then just take off the leaves of the strawberries. To make the jam, I'm gonna cook this with 2 tablespoons of water, and then this is about 2 cups of strawberries. Then just put 2 tablespoons of water. Then also add little lemon juice. I want to make it a bit sweet, so just gonna add small bit of honey. There's no more honey left. Oh, it's empty. I'm gonna mash the strawberries with this. I'm gonna use this blade stick mixer to make these strawberries pureed. Just turn it on. Ooh. The scones are done baking, so it's ready. Ooh, looks good.